In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stamp in PDF Exchange Editor. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Home tab and you want to click on Stamp over here. And then to basically just put a stamp in, you can just select one of these stamps. So for example, if you have approved, click on it and then you can basically place it whatever you want. You could go ahead and just click and it's going to, of course, be that size. Or you can just click and then drag out how big you want it to be. And it's going to basically resize it that way. Of course, whenever they're placed, you can go ahead and resize them manually as well. Now that's one way, but to create a new stamp, you want to go up here, click on the arrow down, click on Stamps Palette, and then here you want to see here it says Add New, click on that, and click on Add Custom Stamp. Of course, you can add a new stamp from a file if you want to, or you could just click on Add Custom One, and to create it, you can then create your stamp in here. So for example, let's say I want a stamp, which is basically just like a check mark over here. I can go ahead and just create that. So let me actually do this right now. It's not gonna let me like this because, yeah, there we go. I have to go again like this. It's not gonna be the prettiest, but it's going to do for this tutorial. There we go. And I'm gonna actually move this towards the middle over here. Okay, let's say this is sufficient. And then you can just basically customize it however you wanna. Over here on the left, you have a bunch of different tools. You can even draw and stuff like that. And then you wanna click on Add Stamp. You'll have to, of course, select your stamp title. I'm just going to name this one Tutorial. There we go. And then the target collection, you have to select one of your collections. As you can see, I have one, but you can create a new one if you wanna. I'm gonna name this Tutorial as well. OK, and then OK again. And then as you can see now, inside my stamps, if I click on here, at the very bottom, there's going to be a new collection, which is called Tutorial. And if I basically select this, I now have that specific stamp I created. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.